everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are gonna see how to use Google Lens to translate in real time. So let's head over to the Chrome browser and head over to the camera option. So in there, you have to open up your camera and point to the screen. So tap on open camera. And here once you print the screen, so here tap on translate. So I'm doing it for you. In here I'm just tapping on translate. So it's detecting the language and I'm gonna change it to, let's say, my mother tongue, Bengali. So this one. So I'm tapping on translate. And as you can see, it is currently translated. So yeah, it is showing the English to Bengali. So yeah, this is how easily you can translate using Google Lens. Hope this video will help you out. If you got any questions regarding this, make sure to comment down and we'll reach you out. Hope to see you in the next video.